Alright. Alright. Alright, guys. Hi, it's me, AJ.
He sucks at recording.
You scared me. Hi, AJ. Where'd you get the gun?
Doesn't matter.
You know what? If you're gonna record with a bad attitude, no one's gonna watch.
Well, I guess Noah. Well, Noah is right about me not being good at recording.
Oh my god.
Anyway, we got to escape from prison, and I'm here with my sister Rachel over there with the red hat, as she was from the past 2 recordings.
Lol.
And I
I need a
don't
gun.
know where Noah is. I don't even know if he's in the game or not. My brother's supposed to be in the game with me.
I need a gun.
What the frick is wrong with my gun? Oh, I need to reload. Stupid me. Hi Noah, what's up? No, she dropped the stupid gun.
Yes, I got it! I got the gun! I got the gun!
You did?
I got a gun!
We can't. We can't get out without a key card. We have to shoot all the prisoners.
Oh no!
No! I got killed.
Oh,
Over here.
Oh no!
Too late. I already got killed.
No! Please! No!
He arrested me. How
Do I
did
still
he
get
arrest
to
me
keep
so
my
fast?
guns?
What?
Do I still get to
No.
keep my... How did he arrest me so fast?
Alright, you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna switch my teams, and I'm gonna get us out of here, guys.
Yeah!
Because you know what? I don't care.
It's not gonna happen.
Alright, I just need to go to my menu. Switch teams. We're gonna switch my teams. We're gonna be a guard. Alright.
Oh wait, I got a gun.
You
I'm
did?
gonna be a guard too. With you, AJ.
Alright. Alright.
Yes!
Alright, guys. Go. Let's go. 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 Go.
I
Go.
need a
Go.
key
Go.
card.
Go. 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 Ah! No. No.
I told you.
Alright. Here's what I'm gonna do. I am going to.
Oh, Schnitzel. No!
I got an idea. Hey, no. Wait. No. Why are you guarding with me?
Because
Dude, I swear people kill me just because I got a gun.
Alright. Here's what I'm gonna do. I am breaking people out. I am breaking people out. Alright, so hopefully people will see my chat and they won't kill me. No! They still kill me!
they do. They're gonna kill you.
Alright. I guess I'm gonna have to do something that I really don't want to do. I'm gonna have to shoot my way out.
Dude, I'm low on health.
Everyone knows.
You know what? Screw you, suckers!
I'll be back, AJ.
Follow me.
So many freaking guards. Pinkie Pie over here killing everyone.
No! I was...
It's that pink girl.
Yeah, it's that pink girl. I am
No one else
serious.
is taking damage.
Who's Pink Girl?
Her name is like Pretty or something. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna look in the inmates.
Oh, she's dead.
Uh-oh. Guys? Oh, my game crashed my game was lagging for a second. Alright.
Why does every single player in the game have a gun?
Come on.
Dying.
Come on. Come in. Quickly.
I am in. Oh, nuts!
Hey! Leave her alone!
I
Oh,
was
wait.
arrested.
Leave
Now
her...
I'm dead.
You know what? I'm gonna arrest every single person.
Yeah, you know what? Screw it. We're gonna arrest...
Pinkie Pie.
We're going to arrest anyone we can who gets in our way, okay? Alright.
Hey, you look just like me.
Except for the face. Hurry, Rachel! No! Wait, guys. There's a door right next to the office. We can take that one out. Alright? Rachel, do you hear me?
Nope.
Go next to the office, okay?
Office.
I can't make it out there.
Right here?
Yeah. Now follow me. Quickly. Follow.
I'm not gonna make it out, guys.
Follow.
Which way are you taking?
No, get out, quickly. Let's go.
Hold on, I'm glitching.
Oh shoot.
Alright, I'm coming.
Let's go.
Where are you going?
I'm going out here. Alright, I'm gonna open the door for you so you can get out, okay?
Can I have your key card?
No! No! Someone's trying to shoot me! Alright, get in, get in. Rachel, where are
I'm
you?
way behind you.
Oh, shoot. I did not know you were this behind me.
I'm not there.
Yeah, you're right next to the door.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Can I have your key card?
The only way you can get my key card is if you shoot me, and there's not even a full chance that you'll get it.
Yes, there is. There's a 100% chance that I'll get it.
Uh-oh, please don't. No, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Oh, he wants me to open the door for him. Here, get in. I'll be right back, Rachel.
I want your key card.
Alright, Rachel. Here's the deal.
No.
We're gonna drive to the criminal base. Actually, reset your character and you'll go to the criminal base, and I'll be driving there.
But
What?
I won't have my gun.
AJ, wait
There'll
for
be
me.
there'll be better guns there for
Wait for
you.
me.
So I
I'll get up
reset?
there with you.
Yeah, reset your character.
You better be right about this.
I played this game before, Rachel. There'll be better, and you'll be out of your prisoner outfit. You'll be in your regular clothes.
AJ, wait for me. Where are you?
All right. I'm going to the criminal base to meet Rachel there. I need a car though because it's gonna take me forever. Oh wait, there's a car there. Hey, oh wait, nope, that's full of criminals.
There's a car in the garage. You just step on the pad and.
Yeah, I know. I just don't know where they are.
Wow, where's the guns?
They're downstairs.
Downstairs.
They're sitting. They should be sitting on tables. There should be an AK-47.
Ooh.
There should be an AK-47 and like a Rington 80 something.
Which
I don't
one's
know.
better?
Well, the shotgun does a lot of damage, but the AK is a machine gun, so
Can I take both?
yeah, you can take both.
Oh, okay.
I'll meet you there, and hopefully. Oh man. Oh wait.
Why did everything go dark?
Because it's nighttime. Oh god, it's gonna take me forever to get there. Oh wait, I think there's a car. I think there's a car spawn right there.
Ooh.
Ugh.
It's called a Remington.
A Remington? Okay. But the AK is actually but
Hey man, what up?
who's there with you?
He's still in his prisoner outfit.
Okay. Tell him that there's a cop coming towards the base, and he's gonna help you. All right. All right. I hope I remember where the criminal base is. I don't remember where it is.
It's up the hill.
Did I find it? I don't think so. Where the frick is the criminal base? And also these words are in the way, so it's not really helping. I think I might have went past it. Wait, hold on.
This butthole is shooting me.
Did you tell him, Rachel?
Yeah, but then he started shooting me.
Why?
I will shoot you too.
Oh god, I do not.
Try me.
I do not. Oh. I do not remember where the criminal base is. Oh, it might be up this hill. Oh wait, there it is. Alright, did you tell him?
Wait for me. I'm coming.
Yeah, but he shot me.
Did you still
So
spawn
I
there?
don't think he cares.
Hey, Rachel.
You guys wait for. Why is my screen so
Are you in the
glitchy?
white car?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Hi.
Guys, I'm
Alright.
coming to the criminal
So
base.
there's a slight chance that you might not be able to get the car, but you could try it.
Guys, I'm coming to the base with the car.
Wait, where are you going?
To your car.
Why?
To steal it.
Can you wait? Oh
'Cause
shoot.
that's what
You guys are never
criminals
waiting
do.
up for me.
Oh shoot.
Uh
That's the guy that tried to shoot me.
oh. Why isn't this going away? Go away. Oh my god. Wait, what's happening?
I'm shooting him.
Oh, you got a freaking gun.
Yeah, I know.
What?
How is he not dying?
Are you recording?
Yeah?
And you're getting angry?
No, the freaking mouse is stuck.
I'm coming up there.
Yeah, this guy's stealing your car.
It's fine.
Wait, what color was it?
It's white. Why does it? Wait, why does it matter?
Because I stole a car. And it was white.
Can
No.
prisoners not shoot other prisoners?
Apparently not.
Because he's not doing nothing.
Yeah, prisoners can't shoot other prisoners, and cops can't shoot other cops. Oh god. Oh man. Alright. So obviously I am doing terrible. Well, what? I think we've learned something today, ladies and gentlemen.
AJ!
What?
Are you in the white car?
No, I'm at the police station. Someone killed me.
There was a white car that just...
Oh wait, is that a cop car? I didn't know there were cop cars in this game. Shut up, Noah. I've never seen any cop cars in this game.
Is anyone up the hill anyway? Anymore?
Okay, it's not.
Whoa, the car disappeared.
Why did you? I hate people in this game.
I'm at the criminal
I bet
base.
you're green. What?
I bet you're green.
Someone just said, "I bet you're green."
Excuse me, sir. I'm stealing your car.
Hey, Rachel.
Oh, I know.
You can have it. There's just a car spawner over here.
Wait, guys, if you guys.
Oh wait, that's a prisoner.
Yeah, but you guys are on mobile, so therefore it's a little bit difficult to drive those cars. You are able to drive in those cars on mobile.
Alright,
They're just a little bit difficult to.
I got your
Deal
back,
with.
Rachel.
You know it.
Is there any cars here I can steal?
I know how to drive.
So wait. Oh wait, is that you guys?
I don't know.
We're in the
a
blue car.
Oh, never mind. Wait, where are you guys? Are you guys heading towards the prison?
I have no idea where I'm
We're
headed.
like Rachel. You gotta go forward.
Wait, you guys are
We're gonna
talking.
go to the
You guys are
criminal
talking
base.
loud enough in this game.
Wait, Rachel.
You guys better be talking a little bit louder because I don't know if it's even going if it's even working.
Rachel, you want me to drive?
Nope. I am driving.
But I think I see you. I think I see you.
I'm driving through a town.
Wait, guys. Wait, guys. Wait.
Yeah.
Guys.
Stopped.
Are you guys not moving?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Positive.
I can't. If only I could freaking find another car. Apparently you can't find cars. Wait. Oh wait, guys, it's me behind the car. I'm jumping.
Oh, hello.
Hi, it's me.
Get in the back seat, AJ. Wait, AJ, you're gonna be driving because you're better.
Wait, can I kill you, both of you?
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean
No,
both
don't
of
kill
us?
us. Don't kill us.
Can I?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you
Am
can
I
kill.
able to?
You're able to because
AJ,
you're.
you're driving.
You know, fine, I'll drive.
I am a threat to
Wait,
you
where
guys.
you guys want to go?
I'm going in this person's house.
Go to the
Wait,
go to the criminal base. I mean, yeah, the criminal base.
Whoa, these people have no floor.
Rachel,
Hop in the back.
get in the car.
I'm coming. I just gotta find my way out of this house. Whoop, I jumped out the window.
Alright.
Alright, and off we go.
Criminal base.
Yep, I'm just a cop, basically being bad. That's apparently my job. All right.
Yep, I'm being a cop. That's being bad too.
All
And
right.
I'm being a prisoner.
You're basically just threatening us.
I am your threat.
You are. All right. You want to try to get another key card?
Freeze!
Oh, Rachel.
Don't mess with me.
Did I just tase you? Hey, whoa! I am not afraid to handcuff you, Rachel. I will handcuff you.
I will
He
handcuff
tased
you.
me.
I will handcuff you.
Ow!
Should we handcuff
Wait.
her?
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Cop car.
Uh-oh.
Who arrested her?
I'm out of here.
Rachel,
That might.
Did you arrest me?
I'm sorry.
Arrest me!
Wait, this might... No, oh man, I was hoping I would get a good thumbnail for that. What? I got shot. Yeah, if you arrest someone... I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh!
Pretty-
I'm getting shot at.
Pretty is now a cop. Screw...
You son of a bitch.
I'm sorry, Rachel.
You dick.
You know what, Rachel? I will let you...
Someone just killed me!
How about you two?
Well, guys, I think it's time that I about end this YouTube video.
And let's play SpongeBob Tycoon.
Yeah, we're probably gonna do something else later today. Whippy!
Are we doing it now?
Well, I'm not gonna record it, but anyway, I have a few more moments of this YouTube video. Oh, and I just got oh my god, you can see my hideous face now. Oh no, no,
Hey Rachel.
no.
Alright, can I have a gun?
I'll let
Well,
you in.
never mind, I'm dead. Wait, no,
Alright.
I'm not. I'm just on the floor.
I tasted.
I know something that'll be good. That'll be a good thumbnail.
Ooh, what's that? Oh, someone just took it.
Rachel, where are you?
I'm right here. Wait, who gun?
Wow, that says a lot. Stop shooting me!
Yes! I got it! I got a gun! I got a
Stop
gun.
shooting me! Well, I just about end this.